will paint when I'm ready. I'm ready. Oui. Oh my god, I literally can't even.
Spaghetti, tortellini, papa da pupi, rigatoni, spagole balloni.
I guess that's what's happening, eh? You're not from these parts, are you? That's okay. Hey?
Pretty cold in here, huh, Gary?
Ra-cha-cha-cha-cha. Ra-cha-cha-cha-cha. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? You looking at me? I know you ain't looking at me.
I say, that's good.
I'm a Lego.
There's cabbages and oranges, there's kibbles and bits.
Yep, hello. Good to see you. Oh, no, that's good. No, God bless you. Crikey. That's about it. That's about the extent of my impression. I wrote a song, everyone. Hey, everyone. Ringo wrote a song. You're not ready. Look at you over there. You think you got what it takes. You ain't got it. All day I sit there patient, waiting. For what? Nothing you'd want. Why do you care? Oh, that's right. You don't. I'm a toilet. No one cares. So anyways, those were my accents. Those were something. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you give it a like for me. I would really appreciate that. A new video going up this Thursday. If you want to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, all those things, there should be links either here in the annotations or down below. That's really everything. That's really all I got. So, yeah. I'll see you guys next time. I literally can't even.